You're welcome again to my channel. My name is Afolake and this is a different video entirely, like you can tell in the thumbnail. So we're going to be doing a tutorial video today, and this is shout out to those that have requested and said that they need some tutorial about how to be about content creation and see what's, how to take baby steps in their journey. I also took baby steps. We are still in the journey, so I'm not a guru, by the way, but those little steps that we have taken can also help a long way to assist new content creators to build their brand. And for today's video, I'm going to be helping many people that have background issues and they say they can't film because they don't have a good space or their space is not YouTube compliant. Okay, let's do some AI generated background that is fake but will give you what you're desiring to use as a thumbnail for, or even a recording background for your videos. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 apps, AI tool that will help you to be able to generate this video, and I'm going to practicalize it as well so you see what we're going to do. It's better you film on a white background so that this helps you to be able to export or take away that background from your image and put it in that background. So we're going to be using 3 major tools that will help you as a content creator and also somebody that also needs productivity tools for your business or anything that you're really doing. You need these tools and they're going to be helpful to you. The first AI tool I'm going to be using is Leonardo.ai. We're going to be using that to be able to generate our image, give it a prompt, and everything is going AI generated now, so why can't we use it to also better our life in this content creation journey? We're going to use Canva as well to export this image and use Canva to be able to generate that size that YouTube needs for us to be able to film with. And then we'll move over to CapCut to edit, put the background overlay and all those stuff, and then finally export and post our videos. But one thing you must know that I'm going to be using my laptop, but you can download these apps on your phone. It's mobile friendly and these are completely free tools that you can start with. I also have it on my phone because sometimes I'm on the go editing some videos on my phone, and that helps me to be able to move on the go and save time as well. So let's dive into it and we'll come back to this video. So we're going to head over to our laptop and type Leonardo.ai, and that will give you a prompt and bring you to this particular page. If you don't have an account, you're new there, create an account. I'm going to be using my Google account here and just take you through the process. If you have an account, just use your Google account to create an account. Follow the prompt to sign in, and then it brings you to this particular page, and then you begin to click your interest, what you want to use the page for or the AI tool for, put in your email or your username, click a few buttons of interest and click next. Okay, now that we're gone, this is just the interface. See how it looks like. There are a couple of things that you need to probably just go through, but this gives us about 150 points for us to generate our background per day. So one picture or model actually takes off about 20 of the points. So you have a number of those that you can use in a day. So you are covered, and this is a free tool. And then these are the prompts, number of prompts. So you go in there and then you type whatever prompt that you need to tell this image generator to create for you as your background. So I typed something here and I clicked create. Then it's going to generate a couple of things for me. Then I'll be able to read through. If it fits what you're looking for, click generate. Then it would give you a couple of images that you can pick out of. It takes a while for it to download, so you need to be patient or go ahead and do other things and come back to this. Voila, this is what it gives me. Beautiful pictures of my background that I can use to film my videos. So I'm just going to go through this and take it in, because these are really nice. And eventually I picked this one and I downloaded it. Now we're heading to Canva because we need a background to be able to create a size for our YouTube video. So this is the interface that Canva has. You see that I've done a couple of things, written my ebook on Canva, done so many things on Canva. This is really a good tool, and I'm still doing so much more here on Canva. So type on your Canva YouTube thumbnail, and then it gives you click the first button that you find there and open a new page. So it brings you to the Canva page, and you need to import that particular background. So put the background there and resize it so that it fits into, this is the size for like a thumbnail, you know, a thumbnail size, and eventually what you can use at the back of your video as a background. So I'm going to just use this template to resize the background. I'm going to save it and then move it now over to CapCut where I can edit. Don't forget, this is also a free tool. Canva has a Pro, but honestly I've been using Canva, the free version, for as many years as I've been doing so many things, even before joining or coming on board the content creator journey, and it's been awesome. So you sign into Canva, CapCut. If you are new to CapCut, create an account and follow the prompt. I also use Filmora app, which, although that's the paid version I use, there's also the free version I have on my phone as well if I need to do things on the go. So we'll open CapCut. So we're going to use CapCut for today's tutorial, and then upload your image, your background image that you've already resized from Canva. So let's put that there. That's our image. I love this image. Then we're going to go to the video that we want to use for this particular image, and we have to upload that video as well. If it's a long video, you have to give it time as well to upload, because that will take a while. So we have to do overlay because we want to put it at the front, and then clear the background. So we're going to go, okay, this is me just creating more of this background, and I was trying to play with other backgrounds for this particular tutorial. I picked a couple of backgrounds as well, if you notice from the beginning of the video, where I was able to show you so many options that you can have. So this is my video overlay, and this will also take time to load. It's already loaded. I remove the background for the video, and that gives me my plain background, or gives the background behind to show off. So my picture will now be transparent at the back. Okay, here we go. This is really nice. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So from here, I decided to, well, play with my current video. This one I was using to film this one. So I brought in the current video to remove the background and then film with it, because that is the one I wanted you guys to really understand. I don't want to do the one that you can't really relate with. So I was playing with that as well, and I brought this one to the front. So you can retouch your image, whatever you want to do, your skin tone. There's so many things you can do. And then you can blur your background, which I eventually did slightly, not so bad, but because I also love the background and I wanted that background to pop, so I just minimized the opacity of the background. Now that we've been able to show you how to generate a background, you don't have any concerns with your bad background or your uncompliant background, as you call it, for you to be able to film on YouTube. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you're new. This also helps us, or the algorithm, to push this video further and further to people that will need to watch this kind of content. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on more tutorials like this. If you like to see more of this, please put it in the comment section so we know that we can incorporate this into our videos moving forward. Thank you so much, and see you on another vlog. Bye guys.